Following the cleaning stage, the fat is subjected to melting, which is one of the most critical steps in the process. In this phase, the cleaned fat is heated in specialized equipment designed to maintain consistent temperatures. The principle behind the melting is to liquefy the solid fat, allowing for easier separation of residual solids or impurities. The melted fat is then filtered to remove any remaining particles. Once the fat has been melted and filtered, it moves into the refining stage. Refining enhances the quality of the fat by removing any remaining odors, colors, or unwanted substances. This is achieved through processes such as bleaching and deodorization. Finally, the refined fat is cooled and solidified before being packaged for distribution. The cooling process must be carefully controlled to prevent the formation of undesirable textures or structures in the solidified fat. Throughout the entire process, maintaining appropriate temperatures and conditions is vital to ensure the quality and the safety of the final product. Overall, the sheep fat processing equipment and its associated procedures play a pivotal role in transforming raw animal fat into a valuable commodity suitable for various applications, including food, cosmetics,